So my most memorable teacher is someone who taught me my sophomore year in high school at Lake Forest High School outside of Chicago. My father taught at this school, incidentally, as well. And Brenda Perkins was my sophomore English teacher. She was an incredible teacher in terms of the content that she um, exposed us to. We studied the movie Casablanca, we read Pride and Prejudice. I still have very fond memories of the actual learning that happened in the classroom. But the reason Brenda meant a lot to me as a teacher was not because of that necessarily. It was because she took a personal interest in me when my parents were going through a hideous divorce. And actually, this must have been, was this my junior year? It might have been my junior year. Whatever year it was, my parents were going through a really tough time. And I was an only child and really didn't have anybody to talk to. And she suggested that I start running with her. And so every week I would go running with her and talk about what was going on with my family. And I really needed to have somebody there to listen to me. And she really made a difference. Flash forward a few years to 2019, and my father had passed away. And uh, I had been in touch with Mrs. Perkins here and there, but my father wanted a party instead of a funeral when he passed away. And all of his old colleagues, or a lot of his colleagues, came to this party, and we had music, and it was great. And one of those teachers was Miss Perkins, Brenda Perkins, and it was great to see her. And I think the most important part of this is that I had the opportunity to tell her that she made a difference in my life. And I would encourage other people to go back to their teachers and say uh, something similar. I think the biggest compliment you can give a teacher is to let them know that they made a difference.